The sun is just rising over Marisel's harbor, and I'm standing at the Golden Tides Inn's outdoor stall, where the steam from bamboo trays drifts into the salty morning air. Right here, tucked between weather fishing boats and woven bamboo lanterns, I'm about to taste the famous Aurorian Frostvine Shrimp Bao. This dish blends fresh coastal shrimp, crisp frostvine shoots, and golden sun-kissed mushrooms into a pillowy rice flour bun, an invention born 50 years ago, when local fishermen experimented with a cool climate vine they found clinging to mountain stream. The dough is gently leavened with fermented palm yeast, giving it a light tang that hints at centuries of rice growing tradition. I lift one bao, feeling its warmth through a thin paper wrapper. Inside, bright green frostvine shoots, thin and crunchy, with a mild, cucumber-like sweetness, nestle against succulent pink shrimp. Tiny Gokan mushrooms, harvested after the monsoon sun peeks through Auroria's mist, add a delicate earthiness and a faint, luminous sheen. As I take my first bite, the bun gives way in softer layers. The shrimp bursts with ocean freshness, perfectly seasoned with a pinch of sea salt, harvested from tidal flats just miles away. The frostvine snaps beneath my teeth, and the mushrooms melt into a buttery note. On top, a drizzle of azure peppercorn oil delivers a floral heat that dances on my tongue without overwhelming. A side of chili lime relish, bright, tangy, and made with local palm sugar, brings everything into sharp focus. Auroria's climate, with its warm coastal breezes and seasonal mountain cooldown, shapes each ingredient. Frostbite thrives in the chilly fog that rolls down from the high peaks, while goldcaps flourish on driftwood left by gentle monsoon rains. Generations of villagers collect these treasures by hand, packing them into woven baskets for the half-day boat journey to Marisel's markets. The Frostvine Shrimp Bao debuted at the New Tide Festival, a centuries-old celebration marking the first return of micro-tree fish. Locals believed frostvine symbolized rebirth, the perfect companion to spring's bounty. Over time, street chefs added variations. Some brushed the bao with coconut leaf smoke, others pour in shredded orange peel for brightness. But here at Golden Tide, the recipe remains true to its roots. Right now, the store is alive with chatter in simple Aurorian dialect, the clink of chopsticks, and the clatter of wooden stools. Fishermen in faded jackets swap stories of last night's catch, while young families snap photos under rows of lanterns. The scent of sea salt mingles with the early aroma of roasting frostvine. I'll wipe my fingers on a linen napkin and raise this final bao for you to imagine. The soft cushion of dough, the vivid crunch, the harmonious blend of land and sea. Auroria's Frostvine Shrimp Bao isn't just food. It's a taste of history, climate, and culture, wrapped in a handheld delight. Trust me, you want to book the next boat to Marisel and try one for yourself.